Welcome to part 3 of my version of a BDR.
Alright, we are on 206 South right now, having to bypass the river back there. We're going on to Route 36. I'm going to have the GPX that I'm trying to record all messed up in this area. Alright, we're not going to make the turn right here.
Turn right on Township Road 423.
This is where we should have come out. But we are turning right here. Still on State Route 206.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn right on County Route 92.
Okay, just made the right-hand turn here onto Coshocton County Road 92. I missed the actual turn with the video footage thanks to GoPro messing up again because I had my battery plugged in charging the GoPro. Seems to be a problem with the GoPros. If you have the battery installed and you're charging from an external battery, as soon as it hits 100%, it won't record. It'll just act like it records and then stop. Weird. But if you leave the battery out, you don't have that problem. This road's fairly loose. Well, I guess I'm not gonna go straight after all. Who knew? That's quite the hill too. That's quite a steep one. Looks like it's dirt. Alright, I guess I'll be back after I figure out how I'm gonna bypass this stuff. Okay, well, I think I found something. We'll see. Alright, not sure what the name of the road is that I'm on. I'll put something in the video, but I'm making a right-hand turn here on another unknown road, and I see no signs. Well, when I figure it out, I'll put something in the video. I'll put some text or something up on the screen here. But I think I go up here and I hang a right. You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. An 18-wheeler on this road? Well, I guess that's why it's called an adventure, huh? Wow. Wow, I don't have any idea why he would be on this road. I need to close my visor, there's too much dust. There's a pickup truck ahead of me too. So I'm going to try to go real slow here to let him get way ahead of me. Okay, we should be hanging a right here at this stop sign to get me back on my track somewhere over that way. Maybe this will tell me what roads I'm on. It's amazing how much color for October 9th here in Ohio. Alright, Woods CH Road. I'm not sure what the CH is supposed to stand for. Looks like that said Sinclair, maybe? Nope, Stricker Road. I just came off Stricker Road. Okay. So, according to GPS, if I keep going straight, I will run back into my route. Okay, here at the stop sign, we're going to hang a left on Dennis Church Road. And that will get me back on the path that I had selected. Well, interesting detour. Well, right now I'm headed north. I'm going to make a left and head west. Alright, we are going to make a right-hand turn on Front Royal Road right up here at the stop sign.
Turn right on Front Royal Road, then take the first left.
Van Winkle Road.
Turn left on Van Winkle Road.
She always interrupts me.
In 1 3/4 miles, turn right on McKee Road.
Well, I know gravelmaps.com said this is a gravel road, but not anymore. That's okay. Still a little tar and chip, very remote road. I'm just as happy.
Turn right on McKee Road, then take the first left.
Well, I know you couldn't understand her, but McKee Road. Very dirty intersection. That's because it's gravel. Yay! Okay. Back on the dirt. Aspen Road in 1/4 mile. Very little rock here. Is there a road? Oh, heck. Okay, there is a road. You just can't see it. Seems overrated when you need to make a turn anyway, right? I am going to have way too much footage today, but dare I say it again, it's just so beautiful, this route I chose. Nice little downhiller. Looks like as soon as we get to the stop line, we're going to be making stop sign. We're going to be making a left somewhere. I can't talk. I'm just combining words to save time. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. We're just going to go slow through here till we see what happens.
Turn left on Aspen Road.
Of course, it would have some funky intersection, wouldn't we? Well, goes right back to gravel again. Yep, I just go right up that little hill here.
In 2.5 miles, keep left to Girl Scout Road Northeast.
That sounds familiar. I think I've been on that road once before. Okay, what do I do? I guess I veer just a little right by the looks of it. Yeah, so I'm going down this road. All right, I knew that. Oh shoot. Yeah, it wouldn't be the first wrong move I've made today already. Okay, this is downright bumpy. Thank you. That was not mighty nice of him. This road's pretty rutted up on either side. Thank God he was a responsible driver, not flying through here. Ooh, this looks like fun. Yeah. It's getting downright rough. I'm hungry. Oh, no way. Does this road go through a covered bridge? What do I do? Looks like it. Freaking awesome. Cool. Too bad the brats have been in here with their spray paint. Awesome. I like it. Man, what a beautiful view. Oh, and that smell of that fall air. Making me hungry. Wow, this is really loose coming up this hill. I gotta turn here somewhere.
Keep left on Girl Scout Road Northeast, then take the first right.
Okay, I see a stop sign, so I have the right of way, hopefully. I think we're going to turn on pavement up here in about a quarter mile. Pleasant Valley Road Northeast.
Turn right on Pleasant Valley Road Northeast.
Oh, also known as State Route 586. I know it by that road.
In 300 feet, arrive at end. Arriving at end.
All right, here we are at the end of that section. Now let me get the next one loaded up.